Meaning of fleshly.
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 Fleshly. The word fleshly refers to something that is related to or characteristic of the physical body or its needs and appetites. It can be used to describe actions or desires that are driven by bodily urges, rather than spiritual or intellectual ones. The result of being too focused on fleshly desires can lead to moral or ethical decay, as well as physical consequences like poor health or addiction. Therefore, it is important to seek balance between satisfying bodily needs and fulfilling higher aspirations in order to avoid negative outcomes.